My name is Brian Driscoll. I'm the Vice President and Chief Operating Officer here at Farmers Investment Company in Sahuarita, Arizona. This farm is located right on the edge of the lower desert, and three things that are key to pecan growing is climate, soil, and water. We also have a farm in southeast Arizona in Cochise County, and both these farms are selected in an area that's just ideal for growing pecans. The importance of crop insurance, especially in growing pecans, agriculture is a high-risk endeavor. And when you have opportunity to buy revenue insurance, that's covering all your bases. That's covering potential weather events, yield loss. It looks at a whole picture and a whole revenue of the farm. It's yield and price. With our size of our operation on the two farms, 8,100 acres, to come up with the data to do a policy for insurance, you're gonna have to have maps, you're gonna have to have your accounts, you're gonna have to all this data. And with Aerobotics, the drone flying and the certifying the acres in conjunction with the insurance, it takes the guesswork out. Everything's digitized, it's cloud-based, and we're not running around verifying and re-verifying, and it's just handled, and it makes it a lot easier. The partnership with Aerobotics, they offered basically a look back. Took our current policy at that time and said, here's what your 5-year look back would have been, and this is the coverage you kind of missed out on. It was a real eye-opener, and we saw what we had, and we really needed to get involved with this. So, at the end of the day, when you look at it, Aerobotics Crop Insurance, they're tools in the toolbox. We're using every tool in the toolbox out here. At the end of the day, everybody wants to see a good result. And when you've got all your tools in place and you're doing everything correctly, you can see that result. And I think that's what it is being able to get results in an environment that's, not always in your favor.